Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Pass the Salt. This week we're in beautiful Nazareth at Mad J's BBQ.
Where we're gonna go inside and meet with the owners, Justin and Jay, to find out what makes their place so special. Let's go take a look.
I can't wait.
Here at Mad J's today in Nazareth. We're here with Justin and Jay. They're the owners. So guys, tell me, how did you come up with the name Mad J's?
So when we started, there was 3 partners.
Okay.
And all our first names began with the letter J.
Awesome.
And our middle initials were actually MAD, so that's how we came up with Mad J's.
That's pretty unique and crazy, huh? And why'd you guys decide on barbecue? Whose idea or who's the...
He's been barbecuing for a long time.
Okay.
Yeah, probably about 14 years now.
So you're the grill master,
Yep.
barbecue master we call it, right?
Yep.
Okay. And why'd you guys decide on coming to Nazareth? Why was this community important for you to end up here?
I grew up in Nazareth, and this spot actually kind of fell into our lap. The previous owner was looking to get out of the lease, and we met with Jason Calanger, who owns the Rita's next to us, and here we are. It was pretty quick. It happened. We weren't even really looking for a retail spot, but like I said, it worked out perfect for us.
Sometimes that's how the magic happens.
Yep.
It just kind of falls right into your lap.
Yeah.
So what were you doing in terms of barbecue prior to landing here at this location?
We started out doing just catering for
Okay.
parties. Really, it started out with just friends, family, and then it
Okay.
kind of took off pretty quick. A little bit quicker than we expected, I think.
That's a good thing. That means the quality of the food is fantastic. And I can't really wait to try it a little bit later here. So tell me a little bit about that. Are you guys still catering for events, for weddings, things like that?
Yeah,
corporate
we do
events?
any kind of catering for businesses. I mean, we do a lot of local businesses, weddings. We did a lot of pig roasts last year. Pretty much anything that involves food catering, we do.
What would you say is kind of the secret sauce? Not the actual sauce, but what are you guys really known for?
Well, actually, I think our sauces are pretty popular. We
Okay.
make a peach sauce that's a little spicy, angry peach we call it.
That's different.
And then we have our secret sauce, so it's white, the white barbecue. It's not many places in this area have it. It's
I don't think
probably
I've-
our most popular.
Yeah, I don't think I've ran into
It's
a place that
definitely
has
my
white
most
barbecue.
favorite. The one I like the best is the white.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And what would you say is your favorite meat to grill or smoke?
I like doing ribs and brisket.
I'm a
Ribs and
ribs
brisket?
guy. Yeah,
Ribs guy?
I've always loved ribs. Yeah, not
Off the
like
bone,
smoked
or do you
ribs.
like to rip
I like a
them?
little bit of a pull. A
little bit of a pull?
Yeah, a little bit of a pull.
Okay. So what are you guys going to make for us today? What are you going to show everybody at home on how they can make their own spin on it?
We're gonna make our pulled pork nachos.
Pulled pork nachos, okay. So we'll get right to it. Let's check out and see how these pulled pork nachos come out, guys.
All right, so we're gonna be making pulled pork nachos. We start with some tortilla chips, and then we put some fresh salsa on there. And we put some jalapenos. And then we use some of our fresh pulled pork. Pork smoked for about 8 to 10 hours. And pull it fresh. And on top of the pork, we do some nacho cheese. Nacho cheese has a little spice in it. And once we get the cheese on there, we do some of our signature sauces. We start with our secret white sauce with a little sweetness. And then our angry peach is made with real peaches, and it's got a little kick. And that's our pulled pork nachos.
Wow, that was really amazing. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, Jay, for showing us how to make such a great dish. Make sure you guys try it out at home and let us know what you think about it.
Come on down, the smoke is hot, the food is delicious, you guys are gonna love it. Don't forget, check us out every other week here on the Pass the Salt channel. We'll see you then.
See you guys later.